A rogue wind causes this helicopter to tilt over and crash near some cars. Thankfully the pilot wasn't injured. This F-16 performs a low pass and then does a vertical climb. This Mooney M20K ran out of fuel after 5 hours of flying. The pilot then landed on the road, nearly hitting a car and crashed into a wall. Thankfully no deaths were reported. This is an old video of how to conveniently slide off a Boeing 747.
With your right foot, step onto the base of the second observer seat and with your left foot on the step. Climb out of the hatch and sit on the lower hatch frame. Hold the handle of the reel with both hands. Keep your arms stretched and glide down with your back towards the fuselage. On the ground, immediately pull the inertia reel to the side so that the colleagues following.
This F-16 performs an amazing stunt while being inverted. And his parachutist accidentally crashes into a wall. Thankfully he wasn't injured.